Is your Samsung Galaxy's battery draining twice as fast as before? This happens because of apps running in the background, software glitches, or settings using extra power. It's important to fix this so your phone lasts longer throughout the day. Don't worry, I've got some advanced solutions to help you save your battery life. Let's get started. Solution 1. Reset your battery stats. First, open up the dialer, type star hash 9900 hash. Now scroll down and find out the battery stats reset. Tap on it. Here, battery reset is done. After that, open setting, scroll down, tap notification, tap app notification, turn off notifications for unwanted app. Solution 2. Turn on the power saver. Open up the settings, scroll down a little bit, tap on battery. From here, simply toggle on the power saving option. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solutions. Solution 3. Turn on the adaptive brightness. Go to the settings page again, scroll down, then tap on display. Here you can see the adaptive brightness option. Toggle it on. Solution 4. Uninstall unused apps. Go back to the settings, scroll down, find out the apps option, and then tap on it. Scroll down and find any unused app, then tap on it. After that, tap uninstall from the bottom left corner. Lastly, tap on OK. That's how you can fix the battery drain in your Samsung phone. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. Thanks so much for watching.